Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify comps using SparkRental easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify comps using SparkRental, start by logging into your SparkRental account. Once you're in, navigate to the market analysis section from the main dashboard. Here, you'll find a search bar where you can enter the property address you want to analyze. After entering the address, click on the search icon to pull up the relevant data. The platform will generate a list of comparable properties in the area. Review the details of each comp listed, including square footage, number of bedrooms, and recent sale prices. You can filter the results by various criteria to refine your search further. To closely analyze a specific comp, click on its listing to view more detailed information. Take note of the sale date, as recent sales provide a more accurate comparison. Additionally, consider the condition and features of each property to ensure they align with your subject property. Once you've gathered all the necessary data, compare the averages of the comp prices to assess the market value. If the comps align closely with your property's specifics, you can feel more confident in your valuation. For a more comprehensive overview, consider exporting the data for further analysis. Once you're satisfied, you can use this information in your investment strategy or property decisions. Remember to revisit the comps periodically, as the market can fluctuate over time. This process will enhance your ability to make informed real estate decisions using SparkRental. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.